Hi friends, welcome to Kalanjam. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to create the new project in local and how to push it to your GitHub repository. Before setting this, we'll have a configuration settings in the Windows. Okay, you can find it configuration credentials, credentials manager. Okay, go to the credential manager and you can see the Windows credentials of it. Okay, see, I already have a GitHub configurations in my local for github.com, personal token and password and everything. Okay, by default you will not be having this because the first thing what you have to do it, so you have to set this configuration things. Okay, for that we have a command git config. Okay, using that we have to set the git config settings in the local machine. We'll start the configuration settings here. Okay, I'm going to add one folder here, test app in my C drive, and then I'm going to initialize the git bash from this folder. Right click and you can see the git bash here option. Just click on it and zoom in. Okay, maximize it. Just zoom in and then type git config global user.name, which is your username, Kalanjiam tutorial, and then enter. And then next you have to add the email. Okay, email. I'm going to copy the same thing. Just copy it. Right click, copy and paste it at the rate of gmail.com. In that case, you can type it if you want. I want to short it out, so I'm just copy pasting it. Enter. That's it. Okay. Because why I did the git bash from here, if you did it in desktop or in some other places, you have to change the directory of it because when you are doing the init, so you have to change the repository path, not repository path, directory path. So which folder you are going to commit the files to repository. So currently I have C test app and currently I'm going to add git init, which is going to initialize the git files. Okay, I'm just typing git and space init and you can see the description down like initialized empty git repository in C test app slash dot git and go to the folder and see whether any files are created. If it is not created, go to the view and there is an option called hidden items. So you can see it. So there are some files, it is hidden and it is available. Git files. These are all the Git files. The configuration files and everything will be available here. And then next, I'm going to add some files here. Okay, by using the command also you can add it, otherwise you can add it, like you can add it your development project files, some Python or HTML, any files. I'm going to add readme here, git add readme.md. Okay, I have to give the, I have to give it in the single quotes, give add, copy it and then paste it. Okay, I didn't add the files, I have to add it in my path of folder. So I'm adding the file, just get.md and then delete it. See, I added one file and then just change the extension also because it is text. It should not be text. The readme file should be like this, md. It's kind of file. So if you want to add a HTML file or anything, you want to add rich document, text document or anything, you can add it. If you want to folder or something, git test, anything you want, you can add it. Test text. I added totally for 3 files and 1 folder. Now you can go and add one by one. I'm going to add git readme.md, so it's added. Now you can go and check git status and you can see new file readme.md is added. Rest of the files name called new rich text document RDF is available, and then test.txt also available. But it is not showing the empty folder because Git will not realize the empty folders. Okay, if you want to add the empty folder or something, there is different commands available. I'm going to add one text file here, so it automatically realize the folder as well. Now you can go on type the same command here. Now you can see git test folder also added it. Okay, why I added here git dot add me, this way you can add one files. Like if you have a multiple files got changed, if you want to add only one file, or if you are going to add only one commit for the file, so you can add the only one file name. If you are going to add all the files, you have a different command called git add space dot, then dot will add all the files. Now you go and check the status of it. You can see all the files got added in the staged. Okay, now it is in staged only, it's not in committed. Okay, changes to be committed, it is like it is going to be committed. Okay, in that case only, if you want to reset it also, you can reset it. Git reset. Now you go and check the files will not be in the committed status. See, all the files will be removed from the added thing. Okay, now you understood why we are using reset and why you are using status and why you are using git add. Okay, and I'm going to add all the files. Git add dot, it will add all the files, and again you can check it git status. Now all the files got added in the git committed thing. It is in the stage, it is not unstaged, it is in the stage because there are two steps available: git stage and git unstage. Unstage means you can commit all the files, stage means you can commit the particular files. This is particular files where I'm going to commit it. Okay, then next option is git commit hyphen m. It's a short form of message, and then you have to provide the message is test colon gm. Okay, and then enter it. Now 4 files added into our commit. Okay, now I'm going to create the branch in the browser of it. Go to go to your github.com and add one repository, new repository name test app 1. I'm going to give the same description. It's going to be a public repository. I'm not going to initialize readme because I have it in my local already, so I don't need it. And let it be everything is same it is. And click on create repository. And then up to this step we have completed it. But I have shown you like status and reset and all those stuff. And the next command going to be git remote add origin. So this repository we are going to add our files, right? I'm going to add the remote settings and then go to the file and right click and paste it and enter it. Now it automatically remote origin is added. Next thing is git push which branch you are going to push it. So the branch name you have to provide with the name extension of origin, then master. then enter it. For me, I already logged in, that's why I didn't ask for the login pop-up. If you are logging in the first time, it will ask for the pop-up. You have to provide the username and password here. Because I already added it, so there is no pop-up came, and all the files been pushed to repository. And now you refresh your folder and you can see the documents in the repository. Now let's see branch and okay, I will go to the git commands and go to the here and type git branch, which will list your branches. So currently I have the master branch in my repository. So that's the reason it's shown the branch. We are done with commit and the push and everything. So we'll see in the next video. If you have a repository in the github.com, how to clone it in your local and all the stuff in the next video.